So here's what I'm doing here, alright? This is what I've got welded. I know it doesn't look great, but if it's functional, that's all that matters. So, I cut a little bit right here to test it, and that does actually fit in the gear. Now, my dad gave me some advice, and that is to not weld the whole gear like I was going to, because I would never get it round with the tools I have. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to go all the way around, but there is some teeth around this gear. Like, all the teeth right here, they're all okay. I mean, they're bad, but they're better. But some of these teeth, like these ones, are really thin. Like, that one's all chipped up, and I welded just a couple random ones around. Okay, so to hold my gear, I have a vise that used to be an adjustable vise, no longer adjustable. I welded to a piece of pipe, hammered into the ground. So this ought to be able to hold my gear good enough. It's not great, but better than trying to hold it by hand. Alright, let me see what I can do here. Okay guys, I've got some bad news. I kind of temporarily have this together because I was spinning it. Let me get it apart real quick. Undo this, I just got it done by hand. Alright, the chain I made does work. It seems kind of loose, but I don't know what the old one was like. Probably just as loose. So, I'm not calling that a failure. Technically, none of this was a failure. I made a gear that would have worked. This would have worked if the gear wasn't completely out of round. See that? That's not how gears work. So it might have all its teeth on it now that I welded, but it doesn't work. So, I'm going to be buying that gear. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, I was hoping I wouldn't need to do this, but I think I am. That used to be a Crispy Benjamin. Not anymore. Here I got a 20 to take its place, as if that's a adequate way. The new part is here. Now I can't really show the whole box because it's got information on it, but here's the box. It is a genuine part, actually. It's a Briggs & Stratton made gear. Snapper doesn't make the gear. Yeah, it's definitely Briggs & Stratton. Ha-ha! There's the brand new gear. Wow. Oh, ha, ha. Well, it's a little bit better than the one I made, huh? Ooh, that is some good engagement. That's a lot better than the one I made. Alright, let's put this sucker back together, and I got a lot of grass to mow. I'll be honest with you, I'm a little foggy on how to put this back together because it's been a couple days. So I'm not sure how much of this I'm going to record or how quality it's going to turn out on the video. But it will be back together. Alright, differential is technically back together. I don't know. Yeah, that don't look right. I'm missing a very important component. This says 12 millimeter. That's supposed to say 1/2 inch, not 12 millimeter. Oh, fiddlesticks. Something is definitely bound up. Okay, And I got it freed up. It was just full of dirt. This is a shade tree rebuild, okay? Cool beans. That's as cool as beans gets right there. Oh, shoot. I have to take this gear back off. Oh, it's working. Alright, gear case is sealed, objectively, and filled with oil mixed with grease. And it turns. I mean, it doesn't make a full 360 degree. Oh, it is now. Okay. Oh! Why you gotta be difficult for, huh? Oh, that looks awful chunky. Well, here's the moment of truth. Will it move under its own power? So, no first and never had first. You have to get it just right for first to work second. Third. Fourth. Fifth, which is my favorite gear, works. And it's getting rich. Alright. Now what about reverse? Oh yeah. It works. Heck yeah. A little clunky. Probably because I put it together. Oh yeah! Woo! The snapper's back! Oh yeah! Whoa, just about hit something. Okay. Well, bye guys, and see you next time. The snapper is back and running better than ever.